Enterprise BI is evolving. If your organization still relies on SAP BusinessObjects, you may be maintaining reports, but not unlocking intelligence. The real question is no longer, should we migrate? It's, how fast can we modernize? SAP BusinessObjects was built for a different era. Centralized reporting, structured data, controlled distribution. But today's enterprises demand real-time decision intelligence, self-service analytics at scale, cloud-native agility, embedded AI and predictive insights. Traditional BI environments struggle to keep pace with modern digital transformation. Microsoft Power BI is not just a reporting tool, it's a modern analytics ecosystem. It enables semantic data modeling for scalable insights, enterprise-wide data governance, seamless Azure and Microsoft 365 integration, AI-powered visual analytics, secure cloud collaboration Power BI transforms BI from report distribution into decision acceleration. Migrating from SAP BusinessObjects is not a simple export and import process. It involves converting universes into modern data models, translating complex SQL and joins, rebuilding calculated metrics, preserving business logic integrity, ensuring performance optimization in the cloud. Manual migration can take months. So, Cananansia. With high risk of inconsistencies. At Office Solution AI Labs, we engineered Pulse Convert, an AI-powered migration accelerator designed specifically for complex enterprise BI transitions. Pulse Convert intelligently analyzes business objects, reports and metadata, converts universes into optimized Power BI models, translates calculations into DAX, validates output accuracy, ensures governance alignment. What once required large migration teams can now be streamlined with automation and precision. With Pulse Convert, organizations reduce migration timelines, lower risk, and transition confidently into a scalable, AI-ready analytics ecosystem. If your enterprise is planning the next phase of BE transformation, it's time to move beyond legacy reporting. Request a demo of Pulse Convert and redefine your analytics future with Power BE on your target audience.